Hello class 8th student, it's a part 5 chapter 9 in which we read about female reproductive system, and here we read about the parts of the female reproductive system. It is a structure of female reproductive system. First we read about the ovary. There are two almond shaped structure present on the either side of the uterus, means the both side of the uterus. The almond shaped structure is present, known as ovary. Several immature egg or ova are present within the ovary, which mature after puberty. And what is puberty? You already know in the previous chapter. And get released one at a one time as ovum, means this ovary having many immature eggs. Okay, but at the time of puberty, means after the puberty it release one egg at a one time, okay, as a ovum. This is a ovary in the both side. Okay, second, uterus. It's also called the womb. It is a pear shaped. It is a pear shaped hollow organ, means it's empty inside it, with a thick muscular wall, and embryo developed inside the uterus. The uterus initially protects the developing embryo and later the fetus, means it protects the developing embryo and later the fetus, means while the development is done in that embryo and it developed, then after that also this uterus protected. The next is a fallopian tube. Next is a fallopian tube, this one. And this is a uterus. Here you see fallopian tube, or another name is oviduct. There are two tubes present on the either side of the uterus, carry the ovum released by each ovary. Means here is the oviduct on the both side, which carry the ovum or the egg, which is released by this ovary. Tiny hair-like structure called cilia are present in the tube. Means tiny hair-like structure cilia are present in the tube, which help in the movement of ovum inside the fallopian tube. These hair-like structure cilia help the egg to move inside this fallopian tube. The next part is the vagina. It is a thin muscular wall tube that starts from the mouth of the uterus and opens to the outside. Here from the mouth of uterus, this is structure of uterus, and opens to the outside. So thank you class. We continue in the next part.